Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this cute roll curls hairstyles in Berry Avenue. So if you want to give your Berry Avenue avatar a super cute and stylish roller curls hairstyle in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get this look that's perfect for any aesthetic. So what you need to do is just go to the avatar customizations menu and then tap on the menu here, click on the three lines and tap on body, click on the hair, and let's remove the current hair that you are using, you are currently use. Click on the search column at the top and use roller curls as the keyword. Click on search, and then here you can just choose which one. I'm going to just use this first ones right here. So as you guys can see, this is the result for the roll curls. It's look like you are getting ready yet. If you want to choose the stylish one or the other ones, you can just choose which one. Let's say I'm going to use this ones right here, or maybe this one. Okay, so that's pretty much all. You can tap on done after this, and this is the result for the roller curls hairstyle. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.